My name is Radhakrishnan. I am the CEO of the company. Company name is Ampel Automobiles Private Limited. We are planning to manufacture small EVs and what you can say, all-terrain vehicles, basically for families for day-to-day application usage. And we are just beginning the process. Now we acquired the land, and we shall be soon going for the factory building and facility making. Simultaneously, we may have to go for the suitable machines also. And in that purpose only, I am here. Brand, it's Ampel Automobiles Private Limited. It is formulated by 5 engineers. We are all qualified engineers who has got Indian as well as international exposure and experiences. So the brand name is Ampel, AMPEL. It's a flower like lotus in a small version. It is. That's Ampel Automobiles Private Limited. It came through one of my friend who advised me to contact you. I'm quite impressed with the facility that you have. Especially, I'm quite thrilled to understand that it's all indigenously developed techniques and technologies that you are using. Quite appreciable, and the facility setup is also excellent. The way you are managing this situation, and of course, your people are also well trained. I think basically Gujaratis are what you can say well-mannered people in that way. So that I could observe from the time I landed at the airport. Of course, I came here earlier also, Ahmedabad and Baroda and all those places. And of course, it's really a commendable effort behind this, what you can say, factory. And it's sincerely appreciated the way it's getting developed. So we have visited the medical facility also. Quite impressive facility, the way you are handling it. And quite glad to know that you are exporting to countries like Europe, Australia and other places. I'm really proud to be an Indian and to notice that you are doing a remarkable job. Yeah, well, basically we are looking for laser welding machine, cutting machine and marking machines. Now, 5-axis machine also we can think of, but that I have to discuss with our directors on that purpose. So, these are the area we are going to cover. That's what I said, hospitality is commendable. So that's the reason I said basically people from Gujarat are very hospitable. Today there were 2 sessions also. One was on micro welding by scientists from BARC and another on 3D printing. So this 3D printing was, I had only a very superficial idea about that. Today I could get a quite in-depth knowledge about what is 3D printing, where you can use that and all those things. So that way you can say personally as well as personally, professionally, and for the industry wise, it's quite beneficial, the facilities. In fact, in my last company, we used to conduct open houses like this, but that is an yearly event. That's an international company, and we used to conduct this. We invite our customers from all over the world and do that. That's an oil field service company. So we exhibit all our tools used for various oil field operations and things like that. And new technology and new tools are also introduced. So today I got a lot of information on where this can be used and what is required. So similarly, when we invite our customers or would-be customers for an open house, things like this, they get quite a wide understanding of the activities and technology that is prevailing in the factory. So that way it is quite useful, I think, both for factory as well as for the customers. You have ISO, I think, because the marking and all those things are there. Yes. So it's being taken care that way. And then I didn't notice about the workers, but of course the quality person was wearing a safety shoe. So that I noticed. I forgot to notice about the others. Because those safety standards we lack as Indians, we lack heavily on that side. Even if we supply safety shoes to our employees, they hesitate to wear it. Safety shoes or helmets or what you can say, even goggles while they are grinding. So we may have to, what you can say, insist on getting them used to that. Once they are used to it and then understand the value of it, they go for it. But initially, it is very difficult to get used to it.